Hello and a very good afternoon to you. Thanks for joining me. We're going to be going through the prize draw for the 70mm 4K front and rear dash cam shortly. We've got a lot of people who have entered that. The prize wheel is looking extremely slim, all the little pieces, but yeah, we're going to be going through that in a moment to see who the lucky winner is. Also just wanted to briefly talk about a new upcoming vlog review slot we're going to do. We're going to trial it, see how it goes, because we watch a lot of these videos ourselves, so we made the assumption that probably a lot of our viewers do as well. So what we're going to do, every Friday evening at 7 p.m, we're going to have a video come out, and it will be a review video. So some of them will be videos for products that have been sent to us for review, and some of them will be products we've actually bought ourselves that we're going to review. But the main sort of USP of this is going to be an honest review. So even if the companies are sending us a product and they want us to market it, our stipulation is going to be that we can review it honestly. If you're not going to let us review it honestly, you can have it back, because, you know, if we keep putting these in our videos, they're taking up more and more and more time, and I want the regular Wednesday vlog to be our travels. And obviously a few people have sort of moaned about the videos, the adverts being in the videos when you get adverts already on YouTube. So we're taking the feedback on board, and we're just going to do a whole separate vlog for that now. So every Friday evening, 7 p.m, is going to be the review vlog, basically. So each week we'll have a different item, and then the following Wednesday's regular travel vlog, somewhere in that segment you're going to have the opportunity to enter a competition to win the item we were reviewing on the last Friday's review show. So pretty good. I mean, we're only going to be reviewing things that are relevant to motorhomes, camper vans and camping. So it's going to be accessories for those sort of things, for traveling basically. So it's things that interest us. We will be selecting them specifically, so we're not just going to review any old crap every week. We get probably between 5 and 10 emails a day for product placement, sponsorships and things like that. I mean, anyone that does YouTube will know it's just constant. So out of those 5 or 10 things a day that we get offered, we're going to go through and select specifically the things that interest us, and hopefully therefore will interest you, so we can have some really genuine good products, and we'll give them honest reviews. We'll put them through their paces, we'll test them in the real world, and we'll see how they do. If they're rubbish, we'll tell you they're rubbish. If they're great, we'll tell you they're life-changing. So we'll see how we get on, but we're going to do that every Friday, 7 p.m, that will come out. Then on the Sunday evening we will have this regular slot where we do the prize giveaway results. And then on the Wednesday, in our normal travel vlog, Wednesday evenings at 6 p.m, somewhere in that video, it's not always going to be in the same place, so don't think you can just skip to the end and then say yes please and win something. I'm going to put it in different places, so you've got to watch the whole video. We're doing each other a favour here. You know, the more views we get, the better it is for us, but at the same time you're going to be winning hundreds of pounds worth of gifts, you know, accessories. So it's all good. If you don't like it, don't watch it. If you want to win something, then watch it. And obviously those of you who enjoy our vlogs anyway, carry on watching. We really appreciate it. Can't put into words how appreciative we are when we see comments from people, you know, about Pippin or about information being helpful, because, you know, when we started this out, we were just wanting to film ourselves traveling so that in the future we could look back and watch it. And then a lot of people said, oh, why don't you just make them public? You know, people will find it interesting. And then we had such a great response. And it's actually, in a couple of weeks, 1 year since we started making YouTube videos properly for people to watch. And in that 1 year, you know, we've got like 10,340 subscribers, I think, as of filming now, which is amazing. We're so humbled by the response we've had. And the very small amount of trolls, we expected a lot more, so we think we're doing quite well on the trolls. But anyway, back to the prize draw. I'm going to put the wheel on the screen now. Let's see who the winner of the 70mm 4K front and rear dash cam is going to be. So congratulations to this week's winner. You have just won the 70mm front and rear 4K dash cam with the hard wiring kit and with the Bluetooth remote. It also comes with a 128GB SD card as well. So the full package, really, really good. At one point, this was the #1 selling dash cam on Amazon. So it is very, very good. So send us your details via the email in our video descriptions and we'll get this sent out to you probably Tuesday now because tomorrow's a bank holiday. So we'll get it sent out to you Tuesday. So hopefully you'll get it Thursday or Friday. But it's on its way to you and congratulations. And commiserations to anyone that didn't win, but don't forget you'll have another opportunity this coming Wednesday to enter a draw to win the next item that we will be reviewing. So keep watching and you'll get the opportunity. Now, for anyone that was tuning in for an update on the whole motorhome situation, there hasn't been a lot of information really. There's not been a lot going on since we spoke last week. Basically, the solicitor, we've got everything together. We've got all of our information, all of our files, all of our photos, the information, dates, times, you know, dotted the I's, crossed the T's. Everything is ready now to send a notice of intended action. But I've asked them to hold off actually, just for a moment, because we had one brief little conversation with Spinny last week. Apparently them and Bailey are scrambling to try and get some sort of resolution for this issue. So I don't really want to get like a court date in a couple of months or however long it takes and then have to go to court and all of the palaver if they can just come through and do the right thing. So let's see what they do. I'm going to give them until next Friday really to come up with something, because basically it's been 3 weeks now since I sent the initial rejection letter, which was then rejected. But it was rejected by Bailey, which is weird because it is Spinny who are responsible. It is your main dealer. It is not the manufacturer. So really it is down to them. So I'm assuming they needed to get authorization from Bailey that Bailey would take the vehicle back so then they could refund them, who could then refund us. I don't know. We'll see what's happening, and I will every Sunday keep you up to date. We are thinking of doing a Sunday evening news for motorhome, camper van, camping, just general news feature. So let us know in the comments whether you think that's a good idea or a bad idea, because we often keep up with the news constantly during the weeks for motorhomes, camping, camper vans, all that sort of stuff. But a lot of the ones that we watch or the ones that we're reading about, it's not very focused purely to the people that use these things. It's sort of just aimed out into the world, and a lot of it's quite biased, so we will not give you any biased rubbish. So yeah, a little news bulletin, and then we'd have the prize draw basically every Sunday. So if you think that's a good idea, let us know in the comments, please, because at the end of the day, if you don't like it, we won't do it. But we just thought it might be a good idea. So yeah, at the moment we're at a bit of a standoff with Spinny, the dealer. They're scrambling, trying to figure something out, whether it's for repairs, whether it's to replace, whether it's to refund. I'm not entirely sure. I mean, in those 3 weeks, I barely had any replies. The emails weren't acknowledged. I just once a week get an occasional reply when I'm chasing to see what's going on. I'm not really sure what's happening, because it really doesn't take very long to ring someone and say, right, we've got this guy, his motorhome's got a lot of problems, he wants a refund, can we do it? And it's a yes or a no. And then if it's a no, right, well, we'll have to repair it then under the Consumer Rights Act. When are we going to repair it? Are the parts available? It's not difficult, and it doesn't take 3 weeks. So I am quite stressed out about it. And in all honesty, probably in the last week to a week and a half, you know, you go to bed and you're laid there for 3 or 4 hours. It's really bloody stressful. It's a lot of money. And even if they repaired it all back to perfect, how long has water been getting in? I mean, I found out yesterday that not only is the bonding coming undone on the top right-hand side of the bulkhead, it was exactly the same on the top left. So basically, we've just had open splits down the side of the upper top of the roof. The entire piece that goes across the front, that was unsealed. Water could get in there. So it's hardly surprising we've got warped, rippled and swollen wood. The question is what they're going to do about it. So we've got everything ready. We're ready to go to court, make a date, send a notice of action. But I would rather resolve it out of court because it's just hassle. But having said that, I'm not afraid of hassle. We'll just do it. I mean, I'm not fussed. So we'll see how we get on. Ideally, we just want a bloody motorhome. with nothing wrong with it. That's all we want. You know, when you're spending upwards of sort of 70, 80 grand, it's not too much to ask that your motorhome is in good working condition. I don't think. Anyway, that's enough rambling and moaning. It's a bit of a miserable day today, so it's probably making me feel a bit miserable. But anyway, congratulations to the winner. We will be back Wednesday with our regular travel vlog, still in the Canary Islands, but we're getting ever closer to the return journey, and that is something you're not going to want to miss. But coming up in the next few episodes, there are some classic park ups. I mean, absolutely lovely park ups with their own little beaches, picturesque. Yeah, really, really good. You won't want to miss it. And obviously, Pippin's back, which is one of the things that everyone's really excited about. So anyway, until Wednesday, we'll see you later. Take care. Thanks for watching and all the best.